Alright, welcome back. We are gonna do it, finally. We have the 6.0 MIlwaukee M18 high output, and we also have the 6.0 FLEX stack. There's the stacked lithium there. 6.0, fully charged. 6.0 MIlwaukee. Fully charged. Now, real quick, this battery is like $98 right now on Amazon. So we're going to be rocking the FX1371A, and we have the legendary 2853. There we go. Yeah, we got a TV in here and a computer. Pretty cool little setup now. We're going to do a video on this real soon. But today, we're doing a video on this. So one of the biggest questions, the most requested, 6.0 apparently does the most power. I have not tried this out myself. We're gonna get the 6 on here. Let's get started. These are both 3/8, 6 inches long. We got some pretty common sized legs. We're gonna let the champion go first, and then we'll run the flex. Also gonna be running some 1.5" paddle bits, spade bits, whatever you want to call them. Self-feeding. And then we got this guy here, this stinger. Alright, up first, MIlwaukee. Here we go. Okay, here comes the flex. Batteries are both fully charged. Here we go. Oh, that's a great start. Unless you're an electrical contractor, you won't understand why I'm using an impact. But it'll make sense whenever you try to drill through a top cap of a stud and the drill gets in a bind and just pretty much breaks your wrist. These impacts don't allow that to happen. I like using an impact when drilling through wood. It's a smart thing to do. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. I'm so glad I caught that on camera. You know, I may as well end the video here because, God almighty, man, what the... Alright. We are going to pretend that didn't happen. Milwaukee fans, look away. Here we go. Man, that's fast. Here we go. I'm not even pulling hard. I can't even get the bit back. I hope this doesn't hurt your feelings. Frankly, I don't care. See if we can get it. I don't even know if the flex is going to be able to get it. This bit's just stuck, man. What the... We're locked in. This would be a good test. Let's see if the flex drops a bit. Okay. Flex his turn anyway. Alright. Let's move this wood over. Now, while we're on this topic, yeah, I'm going to do this. I don't care. It's not part of the routine that I talked about, but I'm going to show you something with this impact as well. Right here. Right there. Okay. The other day I was doing a side job. The other day I was working and this dropped a bit down the wall. And this used to be my absolute favorite. Like, just my favorite. I really liked it. And it dropped a bit down the wall, and now I can't even look at it. So, this thing right out of the box, right out the hot, brand freaking new, is doing the same thing. You can imagine how thrilled I am. Because I was actually really liking the power. Let's just see. Yeah, exactly. See, they both do it. All right, Flex's turn. Here we go. You gotta be correct. What? This is with the 5. Why is there a 5 in here? Why? Come on. That makes it interesting. Oh my goodness. What the heck, man? Ah, come on, Robert. All right, here we go. Here comes the Flex with the 6. Let's do 4 of these again, I guess. Here we go. Okay. Same bit over here. Here we go. All right, like I was thinking before, you know, the MIlwaukee is faster, but if it drops bits, man, it's out. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. The proof is in the pudding. The pudding is a little bit slower, but the pudding is consistent, and consistency in pudding is very important. Let's move it over. Let's see if we can get this thing to drop the bit. I'm going to. Look, guys. If you watch this channel, you know that I have no BS. Look, this thing is incredible. It's faster, it's more powerful. It still drops bits. Out of the box. Brand new. Okay? Flex, oh, it's better, blah, blah, blah. It's slower. I think the Flex is slower. We're gonna edit this video, we're gonna find out. But it don't drop bits. I don't even know. I'm not even a big fan of this big 6.0. It's huge. I've always liked the smaller 2.5s. I've got a 3.5 Flex Stack coming, or Flex Stacked Lithium, whatever you want to call it. I I don't know. I might return this 6. I'm just not a huge fan of the performance gain versus the size. I'm really not. I'm going to weigh these for you in a second, and you'll see what I'm talking about. This is lighter than the MIlwaukee's, but for an impact, I don't need a 6. For the larger drill, I don't need a 6. I got a 5, and it does every task that I need it to do. We've seen it run the 10-inch lags. We've seen it run the 12-inch 5/8 lags. Or was it 10? Whatever it was. The Tools with Souls lag challenge. It did that. MIlwaukee did it too. MIlwaukee did it with a 3.0. You don't need bigger batteries for this. All these tool channels that say, oh, you got to get the biggest battery, because blah, 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 blah. I don't care about that. This channel is not to sell you tools. This channel is to tell you what these tools are capable of. If you want to get the tools, get the tools. I really don't care. That being said, this has yet to drop a bit. And that's huge. I've lost hundreds of dollars down the wall. The other day I lost another bit down the wall. My buddy wanted to pull the panel back out of the wall and help me find it. And I was like, no, that is a casualty of war. We're not getting that bit. So just keep that in mind, you know, what works best for whatever you're doing. A 6.0 on an impact driver here does not work best for me for what I'm doing. We might go back and get the 3.5. I'm not sure. I've got a 3.5 on order from Acme Tool. I'm still waiting. I ordered it April 14th. I'm still waiting. I haven't even gotten a confirmation on whether it's been shipped or not. Still waiting. So, Lowe's is your best bet. Got it the next day. And yeah, let's get back to the video. But what I paused and pan this camera up here so you can see my face. I am pulling on this like 30, 40 pounds. I mean, just, I'm tugging on this as hard as I can. Just like I was this. Maybe even more. Just to give it all a fair shake and everything. I know these are the new guys. We're trying to test the crap out of these. I think I'm done abusing this tool brand. It's already shown me that it's going to do everything that I want it to. I've already tested every tool. I got their fan right now. You can't even hear it. It's whisper quiet. And it's giving me all the air that I need over here. They just make good stuff. Look, we got the light rock in there. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. I don't care. I really don't. What I do care about is whether or not these tools are going to work for you in the field. So let's get back to it. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. We will two-hand pull this up. Like, I'm going to lift this whole thing up. It's just not going to come out. And that is fantastic news for the whole tool community. Not just Flex. This will push other tools to make better stuff. They supposedly fixed this collet issue. I'm going to do it again real quick. Watch how fast this is. This thing is quick. Fastest thing ever. Here we go. Yeah. Actually, before I do this, there you go. Can the Flex grab it? Earlier couldn't grab it. Okay, we're fully on it. Yeah, good consistent pudding right there. I don't know what else to tell you. Here we go. That seems really fast. Maybe we will keep this battery. Oh man. Alright, Milwaukee's gonna get its own screw. Gonna use the same bit though. Here we go. Uh-oh. That wasn't as fast as I thought it was going to be. Do it again. Let me do one more. These are both 6.0s. We're going to edit it to see who won that. So the argument would be, you know, don't use these bits with these tools. And I disagree. In an attic, they're just too useful. So, yeah. Alright, so there's not too much I'm going to cut out of this video. Yeah, it's just, it is what it is. What is going on here? Okay. 3-inch screw. Very nice. Oh my goodness. I mean, this thing doesn't even impact, even when the screw's almost sunk. I mean, that didn't impact, that slipped. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's all the way down to there. It's awesome. It's definitely different. So this definitely does give more power than this. Yeah, see, it impacts as soon as it hits the wood, which is fine. Yeah, as soon as it hits the wood, it impacts. Try it again. Yeah, as soon as it hits the wood, it impacts. Alright, not sure how I feel about this video. This thing was 150 bucks, and we did get the 3.0 for free. It's actually, I don't think it's open yet. I think it's still in the packaging around here. Oh, there it is. This and this, $150, not the 6. We got a really good deal on it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I really don't. You know, I bought it to show you guys the difference in power, but I'm not impressed with it. It still drops bits, and for me, I use these too much. All right, well, let me know what you thought in the comments below. The MIlwaukee is really fast, really fast, really powerful, like we already knew. Maybe in the next video we'll run this guy up. Against this. And we'll do the same batteries and we'll see. We'll see which one's faster. In this case, I think the Flex is going to be faster for the hammer drills because it's got more RPM. But yeah, just was not expecting the results of this video, and that is why I don't stage or pre-rehearse or do anything, because I like being along with the journey just like you. It's almost like I get to watch the video, except I'm making the video. So yeah, no biases here, as always. And just let me know what you thought in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.